If Eco 4060 sounds confusing, you are not overthinking it. This is one of the most misunderstood labels on modern washing machines because the name looks obvious, but people often guess what it means and then use it in the wrong situations. So let us make it simple and practical. In plain language, Eco 4060 is usually an efficiency-focused cycle designed for everyday cotton-type laundry in that care range. The key point is not speed. The key point is efficient washing performance. So this mode is generally about reducing resource use compared with faster or more aggressive cycles, not about giving you the quickest finish. Many people assume Eco 4060 should be a short cycle because it says Eco in reality. Eco programs often run longer to clean efficiently with controlled energy and water use. That is the part that surprises people. It can feel slower, but the cycle design is focused on efficiency rather than fast turnaround. Exact behavior can vary by model, but that trade-off is common enough that it helps explain why this setting exists. Eco 4060 is often a good fit for regular day-to-day laundry that is not heavily soiled and does not need a rapid cycle. If your priority is balanced routine washing with an efficiency mindset, this mode is usually worth using. For many households, it becomes a default option for normal weekly loads once they stop expecting it to be quick. Do not use Eco 4060 as a universal answer for every load. If you need a fast result, have a heavily soiled load, or need a specific fabric program, another cycle may be a better choice. Also, avoid assuming every machine behaves the same. Always treat the label as guidance and your appliance manual as final reference for your exact model. Use this check before pressing start. Is the load a normal everyday cotton type load? And are you prioritizing efficiency over speed? If yes, Eco 4060 is usually a strong option. If you need speed or heavier cleaning power, choose a cycle designed for that goal instead. That simple decision rule prevents most confusion around this setting. So the takeaway is this: Eco 4060 usually means an efficiency-focused everyday cycle, not a quick wash mode. If the top and bottom heat oven symbol also confuses you, that is a good next topic, because appliance labels often look simple but hide important practical differences.